Got a flood messing up your space or maybe mold is sneaking in? You're in luck. Executive Restoration is here to save the day. Serving the Charlotte, Mint Hill, and Matthews area, we're pros at water removal and flood damage cleanup. Need mold or moisture checked out? Our mold sampling, testing, and inspection services have got you covered. Even lead testing is a breeze with us. Fire and smoke issues? No worries. We're on it. Curious about our services? Give us a shout and let's chat. Call for more info.